how to take it just once in the morning to detox uric acid from your kidneys and also to get better immunity, lower blood pressure, and improve kidney function. Hello, Katherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Many vitamins are essential for the health of your kidneys and your body. But this one is particularly important if you want to detoxify uric acid from your kidneys. This is ascorbic acid. Yes, just regular vitamin C. And taking it in the appropriate dosage and form can really help detoxify uric acid fast. And it will also greatly help with kidney health in general. No doubt about it. Now, many people will think, but I already take vitamin C and it's not helping. Well, the reason is simple. The dosage. Because the vitamin C you get from food is not enough to get the significant detoxing effect. And many supplements don't have enough vitamin C either. So in today's video, the main focus is going to be the dose of this vitamin you need. So let's see exactly how much vitamin C you need to detox uric acid and how fast it will work according to science. Now, this is a meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials. It's basically the cream of the crop when it comes to scientific papers. This analysis was done on 13 different studies and 556 people. Now, the interesting part. The researchers concluded that vitamin C supplementation can significantly lower serum uric acid. And it took on average just 30 days to see appreciable results. What this means is that vitamin C can detoxify your kidneys from uric acid pretty fast. Incredible results, if you ask me. The reason why I think this is really amazing is because high uric acid levels may represent a serious and underestimated issue for people with kidney problems. Hyperuricemia or high uric acid levels is commonly among patients with chronic kidney disease because the kidneys are supposed to get rid of excess uric acid. Gout, an inflammatory arthritis that causes excruciating pain, is triggered by the crystallization of uric acid within the joints. And when uric acid forms crystals in the kidneys, it may also damage them. So it's very important to take steps to detoxify your kidneys from uric acid if you have kidney problems. This is where vitamin C can help. Now, researchers also identified a median dosage here, which was 500 milligrams per day of vitamin C. I'll show you why the dosage is so important for us in a moment. Actually, there's another study I want to show you which was more focused on different dosages. This study was conducted on almost 47,000 men over a 20-year period. As we were expecting, researchers found out that people taking a vitamin C supplement had a very noticeable lower gout risk. 45% less risk actually. Notice that lower gout risk is always linked to lower uric acid levels. Now, this is important. According to the researchers, the more the vitamin C, the better. In fact, the best result was obtained with 1500 milligrams of vitamin C per day or more. Now, it's also very interesting that taking vitamin C supplements can have several other benefits for your kidneys. It helps lowering blood pressure. In adults with high blood pressure, vitamin C supplements reduce blood pressure by up to 5/2 millimeters of mercury on average. And this is an amazing result. And also, it can lower cholesterol levels. An analysis studies found that taking vitamin C supplements significantly reduce LDL or bad cholesterol and also blood triglycerides. This was obtained with a daily dose of 500 milligrams. Also, very important, it helps with iron deficiency anemia. This is a very common issue for people with kidney problems. It's the main cause of fatigue. Vitamin C can really help. The body cannot absorb iron from foods and supplements without enough vitamin C. It also boosts your immunity, and this is the most known benefit of vitamin C, but it's still very useful, especially nowadays. Now, these are some amazing benefits, so if you know anyone suffering from kidney problems, absolutely share this video with them now. It may really help. Because if you have kidney problems, and especially if your uric acid levels are high, you should absolutely consider supplementing this essential vitamin. But before rushing to your nearest pharmacy, there's a very important issue we need to address. Vitamin C in large dosages may be dangerous if you have kidney problems. In fact, if you have kidney disease, taking an over-the-counter vitamin C supplement may not be safe. It may cause a buildup of oxalate impaired kidneys won't be able to expel. Oxalate may stay in the bones and soft tissue, which can cause pain and other issues over time. Oxalate is also the cause of the most common type of kidney stones. This is only a problem if you're already suffering from kidney stones though. The solution? First of all, only take vitamin C supplements in the correct dosage, a dosage which is suitable for people with kidney problems. So, what is the correct dosage for vitamin C in people with kidney disease? The daily recommended dietary allowances are 90 milligrams for men and 75 milligrams for women. These dosages are way lower than the studies I have shown earlier were testing, obviously, because according to the material I was showing you, dosages up to 1500 milligrams per day of vitamin C seem to give the best results in terms of uric acid detoxing. And considering also the cost versus benefits of taking vitamin C, 500 milligrams per day seem to be the sweet spot. But is it safe for people with kidney problems to supplement doses such as 500 milligrams or even more of vitamin C per day? This is an important question because vitamin C is excreted by the kidney. The answer? Well, it entirely depends on your lab results. For example, someone with kidney disease in stage 2 or 3 and high uric acid levels may greatly benefit from a high dose of vitamin C such as 500 milligrams per day or more. On the other hand, people in stage 4 should not risk taking more than 200 milligrams of vitamin C per day. And remember that current recommendations for kidney disease patients advised supplementation with no more than 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day. But I think many doctors will prescribe a higher dose to patients with high uric acid levels or high cholesterol, knowing about the benefits of vitamin C. So consult your doctor and have them decide the perfect dose for you based on the stage of kidney disease you're in and your levels of uric acid. They may also want to monitor your oxalate levels because vitamin C is not something you should self-prescribe if you have CKD in the advanced stages. What supplement to buy then? Obviously, it depends on the dosage your doctor would consider safe for you. But as we have seen, almost anyone will benefit from a daily dose of around 100 milligrams of vitamin C. But you won't find many vitamin C supplements with a dosage this low. So you will either have to buy a larger dosed supplement and cut the tablets in smaller parts or to buy a multivitamin. But I want to be very clear on this. Commercial multivitamins are not always safe for people with kidney problems. They often contain too much vitamin A, and if your kidneys cannot filter it, it can cause toxicity and dangerous symptoms. On the other hand, there are supplements made for people with kidney disease with the right levels of about everything. Vitamin D and vitamin of the B group are actually extremely important too. I've made a video about the best multivitamin supplements for CKD because there are many other vitamins that can also help in managing and slowing down kidney disease. This video is up here if you want to watch it. Okay guys, the bottom line here is that vitamin C supplementation can for sure help both with uric acid levels and with kidney health in general. Today's video was all about supplements, but don't forget that supplements only work when paired to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Also, even if vitamin C supplements are sold without a prescription, it doesn't mean you don't need one. This is very important, especially if you have kidney disease in the advanced stages or if you are doing dialysis. Vitamin C in large dosages may even be dangerous, as we have seen, and it may also have some interactions with commonly prescribed medications such as statins and warfarin. So be very careful. Also consider that there are other ways to lower your uric acid levels and protect your kidneys. Some dietary changes, especially to reduce purines intake, have been proven to be particularly effective, and there are also home remedies that work. If you want to know more, I've talked about this in detail in this video up here. As usual, a new video is coming next Friday. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.